Hello students, let us see this question here. A cylinder is rolling without sliding over two horizontal planks, surfaces 1 and 2. If the velocities of the surfaces 1 and 2 are as shown in the figure, the angular velocity of the cylinder is. So see, so there are 2 points, that is the top and the bottom. So let us take the top point as A and the bottom point I am taking as B. So since the topmost point is having more velocity and the bottommost point is having the less velocity, so you can assume like it is moving with velocity v naught in this way and is rotating like this, okay, with omega. So now I can say the velocity of A, due to translation you will get v naught. So rightward direction I have taken positive here, and due to rotation you will once again you will get omega r, that is also in rightward direction, so that will be plus. So that is omega r, and that is equal to 2v, that is in rightward direction. So this is the equation 1. Now if I talk about velocity of B here, so the velocity of B due to translation you will get v naught, rightward direction, so positive. Due to omega r you will get in backward direction, so that is minus omega r, and that is equal to, and the net velocity of B, it is having in backward direction, that is v, so that is minus v here. So this is the equation 2. If I add both these equations, so adding equation 1 and 2, right, omega r will get cancel out and you will get here 2 v naught is equal to v, right. So from here I can say v naught I am getting v by 2. Okay, now I need to find the value of omega, so I can put the value of v naught in the equation 1. So you will get here v upon 2 plus omega r is equal to 2v, right, putting the value of v naught in the equation 1. So I can say here omega r is equal to 2v minus v upon 2. So omega r is equal to 3v by 2. So from here I can say omega is coming 3v upon 2r. Okay, so this is the value of omega coming, and that is coming in positive. So whatever direction you have taken, that is correct. So that is 3v upon 2r in clockwise direction. So that is the option B. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.